Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Reina for beginners. First, let's dive into her unique Heaven's Wrath stance. This powerful stance is central to her offensive game, allowing for devastating follow-ups. Practice transitioning into it from moves like her forward, 2. Mastering this will unlock many of her strongest attacks and combo opportunities, giving you a significant advantage in matches. Her Electric Wind God Fist is also a crucial launcher. Next, let's focus on some essential moves and combos. Reina has a potent 10-hit combo that can deal significant damage when landed. Also, her Heat Smash is excellent for extending pressure and creating openings against your opponent. For consistent damage, practice simple 2 to 3 hit combos that are easy to execute. These foundational combinations will help you maintain offense and chip away at your opponent's health bar effectively. Now, let's talk about defense and punishing. It's crucial to block both low and high attacks to defend against your opponent's varied offense. Reina's quick jabs are fantastic for interrupting their strings and creating space. When an opponent whiffs an attack, be ready to punish them with her powerful counter hits. Mastering these defensive techniques will make you a much more resilient and dangerous player. Finally, let's discuss mastering the heat system and overall strategy. Activating heat significantly enhances Reina's special moves and boosts her damage output. Utilize Heat Dash to quickly close distances and maintain relentless pressure on your opponent. Knowing when to deploy Heat Burst can provide a crucial comeback opportunity, turning the tide of a match in your favor. Strategic heat usage is key to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.